Короче, вот он баракалли. Да, бани kana комда баджетарым болгон. Еще источник лыхкана дебит. Бесперебойное питание. Это облако хорошо работаем болгон. Что тебе то халбутте? Нормально. Бля, любит бытами. Отдохнуть говорю фаргатор. Если не понял. А там аргамаш белик что ли что-то. Пахай. Бля, ходан таскалар. Туга нёк хэбэ. Эрдера юта. Эрдера 2. Сюжет. Эрдера 2. Блин, Рокстар был ходил, когда опять. Ондукта коббоналар. Tavastırık yeğen anlamandık ancak telefonu verdiler. Bir aynı zile paydan başladık diye bulduk. Gadda skriptinin yakut. Bakın. Burası havadan istedim. Normal neydi? Вон korkanlığı. Sevgiden yanık güçten bir hafta. Bat. Хорош. Lucci. Hala. Да ладно, серьезно что ли? Сдаться. Да, не могу, ладно. Вот он барбатный, надеюсь. Kazadan yok kan var. Coba sih.
Some of the colored folk, they said there's a gang of fools holed up in the swamps east of here who think they war. I was hoping you'd be in. If it's how they told it, it's gonna be something all right. We'll see.
Pannawa durida.
Come on, it's this way. On me.
Totta karanlar. Aha.
She's terrified. Well, I got a notion these fellers is one and the same. Yeah, we won't find no shortage of angry peckerwood idiots in the state of Lemoore. That's for sure.
Is it really that different in this state? We haven't come far.
It seems like it is.
These boys got a manner about them, but I haven't necessarily noticed it.
All respect, Mr. Morgan. You wouldn't notice. Might call you a nigger lover. They see us riding like this. But most of it is a glance or a word. And after that, a visit in the night.
Out west, it's
Out west is out west. And you're all who you are. Decent folks. But some places down here, they judge different.
well, guess it can't be so easy for you, Lenny. Sorry you're caught up in this.
Well, I guess their gold's still shining. And their guns still shooting. So I'm game for robbing any and every one of these bastards for all they got.
Okay then.
Plus, it beats being lynched back in Blackwater with all of you by my side.
I guess it does.
Feels like we're close. It's a rundown old plantation house.
Let's take it slow. Be cautious. If, like you say, these crazies are sitting on weapons, you're gonna wanna strap them. Rise a little before getting shot at.
Of course. They said find the old battlefield and keep on going.
Yeah, I've been here before. I can see the wrecked old Civil War weaponry. Where are the wrecked old Civil War holdouts?
See that church up ahead? They're supposed to use it as an outpost. Heard they got men going between here and the big house all day.
Okay.
Look at this field. Imagine getting caught up in a fight like this.
Yeah, I don't care to. Hold those reins in. Let's just take a look around the place.
I hear you. It doesn't look like anyone's here.
We don't know that for sure. Let's have us a nosy.
You seeing something, Arthur? Hear that? Someone's on the track. Look there, the wagon,
Let's see where he's going. You're on me now.
right behind you.
Let's keep our distance. Just two fellas out on the road.
Are we following this guy or what? I think I see something. End of the avenue, between the trees.
Might be it. Might be. Keep it steady.
Hey, big plantation house. Must be Shady Bear. I reckon we can leave our mounts up there, off the trail.
Good enough to me.
Get down and come on. Come on. We can get a view on them from that wall up there. Make sure you bring the sharpshooter. I'll take the
could go down there and act friendly.
Friendly? With these folks?
Just draw 'em into one spot, then I'd start shooting.
That might be the dumbest idea ever. But hey, I'm always up for a performance. So, what do we do?
Gonna hit 'em head on. There is a
Fine by me. Waiting on you.
Hey, you all being right? Here I go. Down.
زي بي سي دي والله وبتاع. اوكس اوكس. اي كولة.
Quick! Any men in the area would have heard that. They might be on the way. Now let's grab something and get out.
Sounds like a plan. Hey, this could be promising. Here. Come on. This is full of new rifles. We sure can. We'll check the rest later. Now, come on. Let's go.
Let's go. Get this back to camp. Yep. Don't spare the knife. Come on.
ضلبة له.
Come on. Shit. Gee up. Fall in.
Idiot.
Аш батаркын бутум аппын гыра.
Crack that whip. Hey, riders, coming our way.
Okay. Keep a cool head.
What's a black feller doing coming out of Shady Bell? In one of our wagons.
We was doing some business with your brothers back there.
You don't look like any kind of folk we deal with. Arthur, let's go! Go! Arthur, let's go!
Leonard.
I'm looking, all right? I can't see anyone chasing us.
I should think we're out of the woods then, so to speak.
Boy, oh boy. I know Sean's been bringing in quite a lot lately, and I wanted to. It's good to have something to show like this.
Sean's a loudmouth bragger. Don't worry about what Sean does.
Hey, I like him, you know?
Well, so do I. Guess we're better judgment. Just don't worry about you. He wasn't on Leviticus Cornwall's train with me. We had to dig him out of Blackwater.
But
But nothing. Me and Dutch, and everyone who counts. We know what you do for this gang. We notice. Keep it up. You're gonna start seeing things change for you.
okay then. Okay. Thank you, Arthur.
La grafonology няколко канида.
Hey, the camp's in these trees up here.
Let's get there.
Arthur, Lenny, coming back.
These are fine rifles.
Right?
I'm gonna keep one, just for me. Hey, I always enjoy riding with you, kid. You know how to fight.
Hey, you too. Anytime, Arthur.
Kimde винтовканы. Болтовкада. Да ну нафиг. Серебро для бедрюка за что? Убейте 10 налетчиков для Ивана из снайперской винтовки. Выполнить задание менее чем за 2 минуты и 30 секунд. Хуйня. Биддиге мача баших семейн демасın. Алыс сен тоғыт еді. Что такое? Штраус.
I hope so. I'll see what I can find out. Strauss.
How are you enjoying yourself here?
Well enough, I guess. You?
Well, it turns out the pursuit of freedom is not a cheap business. Not for us, and not for some of the locals.
Той бе қатчы иже салмай бейбәт еді. Көймелері жауын. Бля, пиздец, рабраута. Мен де көйім приватамап наразы. Joo, vähän barokkonta.
You always did fancy yourself as a lawman.
Balıkları tavalar öldü. Ayola.
Time to go, boy.
Нахуй батом, бля. Господи. Бля. Батом бля тан ёбаный айдар. Тарах несі. Ба. 5 минуттан биrini aldım. Çabuk oğlum bana doğru дальнейшем пиздец серьезно doğru var oğlum. Aman aman. Ay ya. Ay Allah şöyle. Ага. Там оружие валяется. Свидетель, да. Пиддеген Мауля. Ким Догот. Никто ничего не видел. Бля, я в розыске. Табанюга забеген свободы действия ела. Бля, сағыл қобаққа бұл туыда. Бұтыға дүгітті. Стоп. Бұтығы.
Just hold on there.
Қада бұған. Табақа шкур. Ну, зато мясо пригодилось. Да, а то Брахамаду того-то грохора. О, красиво. Колби пошли. Тебе наха аппан. Юхлям бияқа гайда грохора.
Whoa.
Daha da güçlü bende. Ama valla.
Okay, fella.
Hey, Arthur. Good to see you.
You want rescuing again, dear?
No. I got a plan to make it up to you.
Oh, playing like the Blackwater ferry job, or like you going off scouting and ending up in jail?
Dutch said you was a big shadow cast by a tiny tree.
I don't even know what that means.
I thought you was a tough boy. Not one of those gentlemen trying to protect his rival.
Tabii kafada görmeyeceğiz. Kopya kutakları.
Yeah, yellow. Seems that way.
So I guess you won't be riding with me to rob the banking coach comes about this time in the Strawberry. I heard one of the O'Driscoll boys yapping about it while I was inside.
You and me? Do robbery?
That's what I said, didn't I?
After you.
Come on. I know an overlook where we can watch for them coming in. What are you trying to prove?
Так. Так, буде. Точно було. Cemik gibi dude.
What are you doing anyway? Camping out here like some crazy hermit?
Can't exactly stay in town now, can I? Like I told you, I ain't going back to Dutch without a peace offering.
So what's the deal with this coach?
What do you mean? Comes through about this time every day, like I said. The end.
I mean, how many men? Guns? Riders?
Nothing serious. It'll be fine.
I heard the bank's been hiring every trigger man they can get of late. The meaner, the better.
You worry too much.
Forgive me if I ain't wholly faithful in something an O'Driscoll told you when you was half drunk in a jail cell.
He kept yapping about it, saying how they've been hitting it on the regular. That's a good lead in my book.
Damn, O'Driscolls are everywhere now.
Bastards got a hold of most of Big Valley. Heard they took over some big ranch north of here.
How the hell you and Lenny end up down here anyway?
Oh, you know how it is?
Dilijans kalmışlar öyle böyle mi?
What loose ends?
Nothing that needs to concern you. I always pay my share.
O Driscoll dugunda.
When you put us
Bank
in danger
bulundu.
and we don't realize till it's too late. Like that move you pulled in Strawberry. Making me kill half the town just for your precious guns.
Precious they are. You need to roll a little looser, Morgan.
Looser. I've seen you come full undone more than once now, and you only been running with us a few months.
Are we gonna rob this coach or bicker about it? What's done is done.
Guess we're robbing him.
Then let's do it.
Dilijans kaldırıp. Да, min istiyor bir klavyaturam bile. Ya tunggu jalan aja.
All right, this is the spot. Hold up on this ridge.
Neler edeyim ben de.
Just get back on the horse.
Бля, така дапа. Раньше времени любим ёбаный. Бәлтіп пиздегілмен. Дис хуйнядық бардым. Амандық саққа бәбі. Нормально. Жить будем.
They get into town.
Just don't lose your head this time.
Of course, tough guy. They should be here any minute. Look, there they are. Right on time. Get covered up. Come on! Right!
Бля. Doktor da. Aha, bu kadar. Все.
Hurry, get up. I'll drive. No need to keep your face covered now. It's just you and me.
Да, olur дилижанска, пожалуйста. Грабит. Это тебе. Садись.
I'll give it to them. They put up half a fight at least. Yeah. Hey, look. Come on, boys. Fine new ride, too. So, Arthur, from me to you. That's more your style than mine.
О, Дрискол Джондерга биттереп это, бля. Не зря вспоминали это чавалара. Давай, давай, давай. Тоқтар да. Бавить. Так. Ну. А, да. Ты наш, что ли?
Why is it every job I do with you ends in a pile of dead? Since when did you... You've got a point. Let's strip this coach then. It clearly ain't going nowhere
Как
now.
БГХ.
Let's take what we can and get the hell out of here. That lock should shoot off easy enough.
Ладно. Взять.
Well, this little mess.
Веб-камера. Качество тут. Тоқтар да. Закрыть краток. Веб-камера конфигурируем. Это просто надо куром без таких. Так, Хотора надо ведь поставка в разы. Авгаль. Пат. О, нормально, турбоман.
Do it myself.
Hayırdır.
Just thought you'd want
Я
to
бы
know.
сам захочу это сделать. Кая dedi. Kaya taktın.
Go on then. I'm done wasting my breath on you. That should do it.
Come on, let's see if all this was worth
All I see is you, me, a river full of dead O'Driscolls, and a lockbox. I'd say we're golden here, Morgan. Look at that. What's the cut here?
Just make sure the gang gets its piece.
Yeah. Like I said, big shadow, tiny tree, and like I said.
That still don't mean nothing. Get out of here. Go see Dutch. Make sure you ain't followed.
I know, boss. I know. It's been fun.
$300. Нормально. Пойду тогда так. Понятно. Вот. Это второй. Allah'ın kıvırıkkanadan. Evet tuttu. Bırakır indi. Bastan maçı çuvası vardı. Это негр бадди ленеген. Кини тахетлеге топа. Батта спокойно, батта по плану егудук. Оттон майки ген беспредел нахуй. Какого черта иди нахуй, бля. Сам ты черт, бля. Сахал, да. Хорошо. Редкий вид. Как тепнет. Бешетти Уинсон Холмс. Халмага Вилсон бар. Уинслоу. Бля, хандер сипает. Уинслоу. А, Уинстон. Ханната. Уинстон. Уинстон. Изгой. Мячик пород. Арбадан. Да, Уинстон. Мистер Холмс. Блин, не выходит. Ох ты мой. Большой таком, брат. Да. Бля, карахалды. Охренеть. Еще один соспит тоги. Хотят уйду. Ты Адам'ın da bulan görmüştür. Winston de. Nasıl bakın? Aha. Bu yeke var dedi. Маннал работа себе ведь. Бойлер.
I didn't expect to run into no one out here.
Funny how far a man's debts will follow him. You got some money for me, boy? Seen your name in our ledger.
You're with the German? Look, I got it for you. It's just, I don't got it yet. It's up in them hills.
Panning for?
Hunting it. I tracked this cougar. It's rare. Lily white coat. The pelt will more and cover what I owe.
If I'm skinning anything, I'm skinning you, boy.
Please, I'm out of work. It's the only way you'll get paid, and all the hard work's already done.
Fine. Move.
Well, you got horses? It's quite a trip.
Yeah,
Давай показывай дорогу.
Okay, follow me.
Drive!
I'm driving.
Make me come out here, make me chase all over this goddamn mountain.
Hey, you knew it was a risk.
I didn't know nothing. Your name's all I knew.
Well, the German-speaking fella then, Mr. Strauss, he knew my work situation was precarious, that this whole thing was a risky venture.
Wait, risky? Am I at risk now? Are you threatening me, Winton Holmes?
I ain't. No, certainly not. Sir, I'm merely stating, a man without a job, with limited prospects, at those rates, repayment was by no means guaranteed. I said I'd do my best, and I did.
You're continuing to annoy me.
We're going right here, up the stream.
Типа от запаха избавляемся, что ли? Номера.
How about this then? I guarantee you think. Because I'm gonna get that money out of you. I gotta squeeze you like a lemon. It's coming out.
Yeah, of course. We're onto it now, okay? We're onto it now. The cash is in that cougar, mister. Sure as pumpkins ain't cauliflowers, the cash is in that cougar.
It better be. Or I'll turn you into a goddamn cauliflower.
Up here, we ain't too far now. What I know about cats, this one's rare as hen's teeth. I mean, you ever seen an alabaster wildcat?
Big thing about cougars is they see you, not the other way round.
That may be, but you'd see this one. I've been hunting with my pa. Shot all kinds of cats. Never one like this. In another life, I'd have sought my fortune outdoors, not in the hot, stinking belly of a tar pit.
I ain't interested in your regrets or your life story, Mr. Holmes. Just your damn money.
Бля, тугана калдым бытта. Икарус.
This is it. Her den. We should leave the horses. Whoa there.
All right. Show me.
We'll see her soon. Quiet now. Won't be able to miss her shining in the dark. You hear that? There's a cougar in here. And I bet he's white as virgin cotton. The tunnel diverges up here. I'll take the left, you go right, and we'll see if we don't converge down a ways. And look out for her.
Yeah. Yeah. Holmes? Winton Holmes? She got him. Crap. Damn. Deader. Where are
Öyle Allah'ım. Нихуя, нихуя, болото.
Get out of here, horse. Your man ain't coming. Yep, yep. Whoa, girl, easy.
Hayır, билети мясникоров идти атлап беребиз. Конюшня варня анда подруги кандыр. Жок блок бут. В любом случае отлыгу. Це міг двох. Бля, неуправляемый атыйды, ёбана.
You need a bath before you attract some wildlife.
This mess is barely safe. Can't keep him up.
Come on.
Так, конюшня аквариум. Барнаклы карат. Бадука. $1 да. Печаль. Так, управление своими лошадьми. Я хочу продать. Его тоже продать. Да, у меня нет. Покупка лошадей. О, чисто курка хочу ебать. Да ладно, голландская. А я лошадь. Ага. Так. Не понял, хода такая. Андрей Мочки. Фаерман. Все. Да, ну-ка, Фаерман снаряжение смотрим. Седла.
You know, a horse can tell when you're using a cheaper saddle.
Нормально бас седло орать.
As soon as you sit down, you're gonna wonder why you didn't buy this sooner. I can't tell you how many times I use that one.
Паем.
Worth the price.
То есть терминальный твой? А, у меня заебаты же были. О. Так и носим. Рожки.
Go real well with the saddle.
А, у меня получше ведь. Потники, так.
That's the same one I use too.
А, потники нормальные. Матрас.
I can't tell you how many times I use that one.
Трилохванный. Все, внешний вид, грива. Какая у нас грива?
Fancy streak, huh?
О. Мадополон. Хвост такого же цвета.
Be sure to let everyone know where you got this nag room. Didn't think this horse could look any better, but there you go.
Так,
Thing to keep the horses happy, right?
да, мои дурами хотят план. Там нормально бат похлапать.
Easy. Whoa.
Oh yeah, that'll keep me going all right. Well, hey there, partner. Come take a look at this. Look at this, my friend. Oh, I'm not looking. Oh, cripes.
Damn it.
Oh my!
Stop! Are you dead?
Беги, беги, глупец. Добро пожаловать в Сибью. Что ты сказал? Ой. Абаданко придурок. Нет, нет, я не хотел. Они меня стреляют. Менты где? Детектив. Да ладно, пошутили, хватит. Да я.
Come on, girl. Slow up now. Yep. Oh.
Şey охуели, бляха, тут не галерей dedi. Бля, булту гыртаган. Тоғлаппы дейді. Орел. Бітті, что ли? Орлиное перо 2 штука, маховое перо 2 штука, орлиный коготь, ага. Мясо декапитация, нормально. Вот гендер. Кто там стреляет?
I'm gonna tell the law all about you. If they ever come out here. I just bet you'd kill a defenseless man.
Давай-ка дальше. Да, мы это выбирали. Так, короче, мы там атакали на час. По-быстрому. Оп. Такс. Барнехар дальше. Ну, половину прошел. Нормально. Панна-котта. Бля, законник.
Let's not be too hasty.
Ё, я вляла.
Okay, girl.
Бля, везде законники делал. Хотя, по идее, мне законник пына. Правда, одного так. Роуз, тем коротко. Помощника шерифа. Короче, тоқтауға газ тұру кебіс. Привет, Галя. Махта. Мгм. 10. جماعة كم كبت يوقع كبس خليه الدولة تخطوط يوم أكيدين بالمبوضخ